I've been a cobbler for the past 3 years, and I do mainly sneaker cleaning to custom modifications and even a basic gluing repair kind of job. Hello, my name is Klingsman and I'm the founder of Classified Footwear. Classified Footwear is kind of like an infuse of leather crafting and also, footwear repair, I studied hospitality, but I fell in love with leather crafting at first. It started out as a hobby. So from leather crafting, I was founded by a group of people from shoe cleaning to be a cobbler, and that's where I fell in love with the different traditional shoe trade and leather crafting, and I see the possibility of marriage between these two. I think the great thing about this job is the meeting of new people. I see a lot of different people. Like the clients that I meet are from a wide range of diversity. So that's nice. You talk to a lot of people, you get a lot of new knowledge. I like to modify, I guess, if modifications is a genre for you, I like to change certain things. I like the fact that one have the possibility to just switch up the sole as he deemed fit, because it shows a lot of character in that sense. So when I get works like that, it excites me. Yeah, it makes me want to do more of it, Yeah. And I think one of the coolest thing I'm working on right now is perhaps this Converse. It's a minor modification. I didn't strip off the whole sole. I just basically add on some small little details like crocodile skins and then finish it on with a vibram sole. So from the whole idea of creating this is to retain its sneaker kind of vibe, the silhouette and the look of a Converse from afar. But when it comes closer and in a glance you think it's a Converse, but when you have a look and you see that there's a little bit of modification right there. So it's that subtlety, that I like, Yeah.
Is there something you think that people should know about shoes?
Clean your shoes. Yeah, I think it's very underrated, cleaning of shoes. Cleaning of shoes will actually help, in a sense, maintain not just good hygiene, but also it 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 prolongs the lifespan of a shoe. There's actually a lot of dirt and a lot of dirt and grease that we step on daily that we are unaware of, right? For sure. And when we place a shoe in, say, a dark corner, when you store your shoe after a while, you decide not to wear them. The grease and the dirt that you have stepped on is still there. And when you keep it, mold is going to start growing, bacteria is going to start spreading. So I think it's good in the sense of just personal hygiene and even just maintaining and prolonging the lifespan of the shoes. Yeah. And sometimes all this dust and dirt is coated on the shoes and we can't see it with our naked eye. And when you keep it, this is how it causes the material not to be able to breathe, and it start to solidify, probably humidify, and start to crumble up, and what you get on Air Max and such. Yeah, so clean your shoes for sure.
So today I came to Klingsman with two pairs of shoes, a ALD loafers and a dog mud fulmars. So the fulmars are very heavy and uncomfortable. I always get a lot of feet fatigue afterwards, and the ALDs are just very slippery. So I asked Klingsman to work on these two pairs. So let's check out what he can do for me.
For this pair, we got the sole guard done. We have the front sole and the heel replacement. And before the sole guard was installed, it was just a fresh leather sole, and it was pretty slippery. And I'm pretty sure Sean mentioned that the leather is slippery. He fell down a couple of times, and that is why he wants a new sole guard to be installed. But before you install a sole guard, you have to, you see this line here, you have to in fact flush it with a piece of leather, shave it down so it comes off of the same thickness as how it is before installing a sole guard. Yeah. You know, that little details. If you don't do that, then while installing a sole guard, it's going to look very thin, a little bit off. Yeah. Yeah. So just a basic half sole and heel installation for this pair. From this sole to this. So the whole idea of this is definitely to give it a little bit of a tactical approach. You know, that kind of look, the very tactical look, and also it is to significantly reduce the weight of what the shoe was, because with the actual sole, it tends to be a little bit heavier for its heavy duty usage. With a sole swap like this, we are also not just lighten the weight, but I think it's for more practical reasons. Yeah, it retains the waterproofness. There's no stitching done. We cemented it back on. Yeah, and like I said, it's lightweight, so for urban usage, it's fine. With thick lugs like this, even on trekking or rough terrain, is good as well. You know, so definitely the tactical approach is there as well. You know, not just the aesthetic, but the usage, the practicality of it. Yeah, yeah. I really love this one. It's definitely, it's a look that can sell.
Before deciding to do the sole swap of this, I was actually deciding between these two different soles. So right here we have the Commander sole, which kind of retains the traditional look of dog mats, just that it's a lot lighter, which kind of solves a lot of my problems that I told Klingsman. But at the end of the day, I decided to go with the Beefeater sole because I like chunkier shoes, and this kind of gives it the boots feeling without actually having to wear boots, which I really love. I think he did a really good job, and all this is an honest review. Yeah, I paid for the services, and I think he did a really great job. Like just for the loafers itself, I'm really getting so much more wear out of them, and he definitely made this so much more comfortable, and it's so light now. I cannot believe dog mats can actually be so light.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So if you ever want to resole any shoes, especially if you're looking to resole your dog mats, check him out. Classified Footwear, Klingsman right here.
Alright.